You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this river? In Colorado, I believe. The name is French originally, meaning hide the powder. I guess they were hiding gunpowder there at some point. In French, for reference, it's said as cache la poudre. Cache la poudre, so cache la poudre it should be. But I think locally it is actually referred to as cache la poudre. Cache la poudre rather than poudre, poudre, they say locally. Cache la poudre or cache la poudre in French. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.